Hey there everyone, I'm excited to be back with a new video, and today we're diving deep into the world of how to optimize your website for voice search. It's a crucial topic in today's digital landscape, so let's get right into it. Voice search is when people use voice-activated devices like smartphones or smart speakers to search the web. It's on the rise, and optimizing your website for it is essential. Here's the lowdown. When people talk to voice assistants, they use conversational language. So when you create content, think about how your audience talks. Use questions and provide clear, natural sounding answers. Imagine you're chatting with a friend. Many voice searches are location based. To be relevant, make sure your website is optimized by local SEO. Include your location in your content and use phrases like near me. This will help you capture local search traffic. Now, people often use voice search on mobile devices, so ensure your website is mobile friendly. A responsive design is crucial to provide a seamless experience. Speed is everything. Slow loading websites frustrate users. To keep them engaged, optimize your website for speed. Compress images, minimize code, and consider a content delivery network. Now, structured data helps search engines understand your content better. It's like providing a clear roadmap. Implement structured data to help search engines serve up your content for voice searches more accurately. And there you have it. You're now equipped with the knowledge to optimize your website for voice search. Remember, it's about using natural language, local SEO, mobile optimization, fast loading pages, and structured data. Embracing voice search isn't just about staying ahead, it's about delivering a better user experience. So go ahead and make your website voice search ready. Your audience will thank you for it. Thank you for learning with me today. Once again, thank you for watching how to optimize your website for voice search. Stay tuned for more informative content in my next video.